Hello everyone, welcome back to another part of the React website development series. And in today's video, we'll see nesting routes inside the React.js. So in the previous video, we have seen that how we can implement React router inside our React application or inside our website through a package that is React Router DOM. And in this in this video, we'll see that how we can implement, nested route. Okay, so first we'll see what are the nested routes and what is the need of the nested route. Okay, so let's see, this is our home page and we want to show two different things on our home page according to the route. Suppose when user go on the slash home slash work, then we have to show the work section of our website. Okay, and if user go on slash home slash portfolio, then we have to show portfolio along with this text. Means when user go on the work, we have to show connect with us, grow your business and work. But when user go on the portfolio, we don't have to show work, we have to show connect with us, grow your business and portfolio. Okay, so let's start the server right now, and after starting the server we'll see what is the actual use. Okay, so go here and close this. Here you can see the website is blank. The website is blank, that's why the website is blank because of here only two routes are declared, but slash route is not declared, that's why it is empty. So slash home or slash about, so we have to go on slash home. Now you can see connect with us, grow your business, work and portfolio. So here are three sections, but when we go on the slash home slash work, we have to show home slash work, we have to show this thing, connect with us and work. But when we go on the portfolio, we have to show this one and this one. So where it is needed, if suppose there is a condition like you are showing a dashboard, so inside a dashboard you can see there is a side dashboard, and inside that dashboard there is a content at the right of the dashboard. Okay, so you will see that, but these are the basics, so don't consider that type of situation, just go through the basic, just stick to the basics. Sorry. And okay, here in the screens, we have declared two files, about and home. So work and portfolio is not a home, these are the sections in the website. So we'll make a new folder that is sections, or you can make folder of components. So I am making sections, that will make more sense according to me. So now we have two sections, one is work.jsx and another is portfolio.jsx. Okay, so we have two files now and we have to write a simple rfc, and inside the work rfc. Done. Now go to home.jsx again. Okay, and here we have to show the work file. Okay, so simply write work and import this. Done. You can see here it is imported. So always make sure when you use some file as an tag, so make sure it is imported. So we have to also import the portfolio, and that will be auto import. When we'll press enter now, it will be auto imported. So write portfolio and it will be auto imported after pressing enter. Now we'll see our website on the slash home. Here you can see connect with us, grow your business, work and portfolio. All right, but we have to show only work and connect with us when we go on the slash home and slash work. Okay, so we have to implement a nested route, and how we can implement this? So simply write routes and press enter, so it will be auto imported, and make sure all these things are imported here. Okay, inside the routes we have to declare a single route, and we have to also import this one. Okay, so this is also imported here. and close this. This will be a self-closing tag. And now we have to give a path. So path will be simple work, and the element should shown will be work. And since it is already imported, so I will not import this, and here is the code. Okay, now same thing we have to do for the portfolio. So instead of work, write portfolio, and here you can write portfolio and remove this from here. So what it will do, it will show connect with us, grow your business on every route. Means if we go on work, if we go on portfolio, it will show this thing always. But when we go on the work, it will show work, and when we will go on the portfolio, it will show portfolio. So let's see, slash home and slash work. I think it is not working. Let's see why. No routes match on the location slash home and slash work. Okay, so the reason that was actually occurring error, you can see no route match on the location slash home and slash work. So we have nested a route inside the app.jsx. Here you can see, here is a route declared and some route is also declared inside the home. So nesting has been done, but you can see here the path has been given, but I have given it a absolute path. Absolute path means it will only learn that slash home is existing, but I have to say that there are some also route that will be placed after slash home. So after that slash star, so it will think that slash home and slash star means there can be many routes or many paths after the home. And same thing we have to do after the about. If we are nesting some route inside the about, but we are not nesting something inside the about section. Okay, that's why we are not giving slash path to a about. Slash about will be an absolute path. Okay, so now it should be working. Here you can refresh and you can see this. Okay, connect with us and work. Okay, and when I go to the portfolio, here you can see connect with us, grow your business and portfolio. So here very much clear. I think I have given you the code and the concept that how nesting work, and where nesting is used we'll see in future, because this is used in some dashboards and navbar I have told you. So just for now, do this for the basics, and thank you so much for this session, and meet you guys in the next video with the next tutorial on the reactjs. Till then, if you I hope you like the video, so subscribe for the future videos. Thank you so much.